Abbreviations for EMRS exam 2023. ADC Analog Digital Converter, AI Artificial Intelligence, ALGOL Algorithmic Language, ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit, ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ATM Automatic Teller Machine, BARC the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BASIC Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, BIOS Basic Input Output System, BSNL भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड, CAD कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन, CAM कंप्यूटर एडेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, CD कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क, CD-ROM कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क रीड ओनली मेमोरी, CDRW कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क रीड एंड राइट, COBOL कॉमन बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज, CPU सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, CRT कैथोड रे ट्यूब, CU कंट्रोल यूनिट, DRAM डायनामिक रैम, DAC डिजिटल एनालॉग कन्वर्टर, DBMS Database Management System, DCL Digital Command Language, DFD Data Flow Diagram, DNS Domain Name System, DPI Dots per Inch, DRDO the Defense Research and Development Organization, DVD Digital Versatile Disk or Digital Video Disk, Email Electronic Mail, E-commerce Electronic Commerce, EPROM Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory, EBCDIC Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, EDP Electronic Data Processing, EDSAC Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator, EEPROM Electrically Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory, ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrated and Computer, Fortran Formula Translation, FTP File Transfer Protocol, GUI Graphical User Interface, HTML Hypertext Markup Language, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, IBM International Business Machine, ISDN Integrated Service Data Network, IT Information Technology, kbps Kilobyte per Second, LAN Local Area Network, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LSI Large Scale Integration, MAN Metropolitan Area Network, MB Megabyte, MICR Magnetic Ink Character Reader, Modem Modulator Demodulator, MS Access Microsoft Access, MS DOS Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS Excel MS Microsoft Excel, MS Windows Microsoft Windows, MS Word Microsoft Word, MTNL Manager, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, NAL National Aerospace Laboratories, NIC Network Interface Card, OCR Optical Character Reader, OMR Optical Mark Reader, OS Operating System, PC Personal Computer, PDL Program Design Language, PL1 Programming Language Worst, POS Point of Sales, PROM Programmable Read Only Memory, PSTN Public Switched Telephone Network, RAM Random Access Memory, ROM Read Only Memory, RPG Report Program Generator, SRAM Static RAM, SI Port Small Computer System Interface Port, TCP over IP, Transmission Control Protocol over Internet Protocol, TFT Thin Film Transistor, ULSI Ultra Large Scale Integration, UNIVAC First Universal Automatic Computer, UPS Uninterrupted Power Supply, URL Uniform Resource Locator, USB Universal Serial Bus, VDS VDU Visual Display Unit, VLSI Very Large Scale Integration, VSNL विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, WAN Wide Area Network, WIMAX World Wide Interoperability for Microwave Access, WLL Wireless Local Loop, WOM Write Once Read Many, WWW World Wide Web. Like and subscribe my channel VK Shiksha. Thank you.